Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about how to get your first sale on low and no content book for Amazon KDP. So I'm going to share the few tips and tricks that helped me got my first sale on the first month within few weeks of me just uploading low and no content book, and I have already made a video talking about how long it took me and various details regarding my first sale on the KDP. If you want to check those videos out, you can check videos in the card section above guys, and also I have a complete playlist talking about the KDP book interiors and various videos regarding to the KDP business and all that. You can check the complete playlist in the card section above guys. But in today's video guys, I'm going to share you specific tips and tricks that really helped me getting my first sale fast onto the KDP low and no content book. So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end of this video guys, and also don't forget to click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now so guys, I have a free KDP interior bundle which contains 5 free KDP interiors which you can download right now completely for free and can start producing your low and no content book from those KDP interiors. The link of this bundle is in the description box below. You can download it completely for free, and also if you want the free graphics for incorporating in your low and no content book interior or for making your own book cover, then I have a free graphic bundle as well that contains 49 free graphics which you can download it and can use it for your KDP or for your print on demand business, whatever way you want to use it. The link is in the description box below. Both of these links are in the description box below. You can download it completely for free. Now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. Okay, there are many ways to get your first sale fast onto the KDP low and no content book. There are many tips and tricks, many strategy, many ways. Like there are many tips and tricks. If you check other YouTube channels or other online resources, you're gonna see there are made various tips and tricks. But I'm going to share some of the real tips that helped me getting my first sale fast so that it can help you as well. Now the first step that I have for you, is to just get started, which is really important because we overthink too much. We think a lot about getting started with KDP interiors, how it will going to look like, what books we need to make, what would be the book cover. It's just so intimidating and we often don't get started with that. So to get your first sale fast, obviously you need to get started. So first step is to get started with whatever you have, with whatever knowledge you have, with whatever resources you have. The second tip that I have for you guys is there are the two strategies. Like either you can produce more books and can get sales for that, or you can produce less books and do your research. So these are the two different types of strategies that I recently see various YouTubers and various people talking on the internet. They produce a lot of books, like 2,000, 3,000, whatever number it is. They produce a lot of books and then they get sales from that. So it's a mass uploading and mass producing these books in bulk. The second strategy is producing less book, but producing those books which are really good quality based on your research and based on everything onto the Amazon. So these are the two strategies, whichever one you want to go with that. It's up to you guys. I was going with uploading more books, but then I realized that this strategy wasn't really for me. I really need to just produce high quality KDP interiors and targeting based on the research on the Amazon and all that. So I probably now go with the second strategy, that is producing very less books, but it is a high quality books and focusing more on the research, what niche I want to target, what type of book would actually going to look like, and all those things. But it depends on you guys. In the beginning, I was uploading more books, but then I realized it's not for me. I need to go with the other part. Another tip that I have for you, target those niches or target those keywords which have the low competition and the demand is very high. You can use the Amazon for researching your books, ideas and all that, because Amazon is a great way to research and you can check out the search results onto that. Let me give you an example what I really mean by that. Suppose if you're targeting the no content book, that is just the blank journals or sketchbooks, then you're going to see there is a high competition because these books are so easy to produce, like anyone can produce them, and these are so easy to produce, so many people are producing them. So there is a big competition right now just for the notebook generals, like the line generals or the blank generals. So there is big competition right now. So if you're targeting for them, then you obviously need to pick up a niche which is less competitive but it's in high demand and produce a good quality book cover according to it. So that is the one example. The second example I give you that is also quite competitive is the puzzle. The Sudoku, the puzzle, the coloring books are also quite competitive because many people are purchasing them. The demand is high, but there is a more competition in that niche. So if you want to go with the Sudoku books or you want to go with the puzzle books, then obviously you need to pick up a niche which is having a less competition but is high demand. And again, you need to do your research, guys. Research is really, really important. You can't cut corners with doing the research. Another part is about another idea that I have for you is the planners or the prayer journals or gratitude journal. These are not that easy to make it. Like planners are so many, like these are not easy to make it. Not many people are making it. But again, if you are targeting just the daily planner 2021, then obviously there would be a big high competition. And if you're targeting the logbooks, like the inventory logbook or meal logbook or planning logbook or business logbook, like that's maintaining the planning, the guest list logbook or the fitness logbook. There are various different types of logbook, guys. You can just go into that. So there is not that big competition in these logbooks in comparison to just the blank journals or line journals. So you need to pick up the niche that is having the less competition but it's in great demand. And again, you can mix the two ideas and you can see where is the gap in the market. So when I was getting started with that slow and no content book, in the beginning I saw this thing and I decided that I don't want to go route in making those blank journals or line journals, because these are quite competitive, because it's so easy to make and many people are making it. So it is very unlikely for me to get my first sale fast, because many people are doing it and there is so much competition. So it would be difficult for me to rank. So that's why I target the gratitude journals and the logbooks, because these take some amount of time, some more time to make them, and not many people are making it, and not that big competition is there right now. So that is my tip to target the low competition and high demand niches. What I have for you is the 7 keyword boxes that they have in the KDP book, which is really need to be researched a lot. What keywords you're going to put into that 7 boxes, because those 7 boxes determine how good your book will going to rank, whether people will going to search for you or not, and all that. So use that 7 boxes slots very well and do your research regarding your own particular niche. Another tip I have for you is the book cover. Book cover is really, really important, guys. If you are not an artist, if you are not a designer, then obviously you don't know where to put the graphics, how you're gonna font will actually look like, whether you need to have serif fonts or sans serif or decorative or scriptive, whether your font will be large or with the small. So it will really going to take some time to actually learn that. So book cover is really, really important, because after going through the title, the people look at the book cover, that if it is really appealing to their eyes, then they're going to decide whether they want to purchase it or not. So book cover is really, really important, guys. Because guys, you can very well go into the Amazon itself and can check for specific niche, specific type of book, and can see what people are having in their book, like what their book is actually look like, what their book cover is actually look like. You can check the fonts, the graphics, the colors, and type of like a style, like if it is a style of a specific color, like a red color, green color, or it's a black color, like the various inventory logbooks are particularly just black and the white font bolds, that's probably the sans serif font. So just do your research and see what type of niche you want to target and how that book cover actually look like. Because if your book cover looks like very different, then nobody will going to click on your listing and actually decide to purchase from your listing. So it's very, very important to have a good book cover. And there are so many tips, guys, but that's all I want to say in this video. Leave a comment below and let me know if this video is really helpful to you or not. And if you want me to talk about or make a separate video talking about the book cover, the KDP interiors, or keywords, whatever it is, leave a comment below. I'm going to make another video specifically for this topic in general and emphasize more and talk about more in depth or how I do it and all those. So leave a comment below and let me know. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.